Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our new episode of our program Learn Fiqh in 2 minutes.
Question. I use an inhaler to treat my asthma. Is it permissible for me to use it while fasting? Answer. Essentially, inhalers contain small amounts of water, oxygen, and medication that is intended to reach the respiratory system. When a patient uses the inhaler in the mouth, most contents of the inhaler go to the respiratory system, but some stay in the mouth and throat. The patient may swallow trace amounts of inhaler content which can reach the stomach. Contemporary scholars differed in their opinion on using inhalers while fasting and whether it breaks the fast or not. That is because this is a new issue that did not exist in the time of the Prophet, peace be upon him, or the following scholars. Some contemporary scholars see that using an inhaler while fasting will break the fast, because in doing so, some water or medication may reach the stomach. However, most contemporary scholars see that using inhalers does not break the fast. Some of those scholars are the Permanent Committee for Issuing Fatwas in Saudi Arabia and the International Islamic Fiqh Academy. Those scholars have based their opinion on the following evidence. Number 1, contents of the inhaler reaching the stomach is a possibility and not a certain occurrence. In fiqh, certainty is not overruled by doubts. Number 2, assuming trace amounts of the inhaler content did reach the stomach, it would be a negligible amount that does not break the fast, similar to the trace amounts of water left in the mouth after swishing for ablution. It was stated in the authentic hadith that the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to rinse his mouth during his ablution while fasting, and he used to expel the water after rinsing his mouth without exaggeration. This is an ijtihadi matter. Therefore, if one is fasting and needs to use an inhaler for a medical condition, he or she may follow the opinion that states its permissibility with no issues, God willing. Question. I use a nebulizer. May I use it while fasting? Answer. Contemporary scholars have researched this topic, and the majority, including the International Islamic Fiqh Academy, have ruled that using a nebulizer for asthma or similar medical conditions will break the fast because the amount going into the stomach is too large to be negligible. Question. Does using an oxygen machine break the fast? Answer. Contemporary scholars, including International Islamic Fiqh Academy, have agreed that using an oxygen machine or artificial respiration does not break the fast because it is an alternative to breathing normal air.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was our episode for today. See you in the next episode of our program. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.